Meet Eastie. They're a growing athletic wear brand with a loyal following and a Klaviyo account full of customer data. When they first started out with email marketing, they did what most brands do. They created a few engagement-based segments: 30-day engaged, 60-day engaged, and 90-day engaged. These segments help them protect their deliverability and send to people who are actually engaging with their messages, a solid foundation. As they grew, they layered on some common e-commerce segments, like customers versus prospects, based on whether they viewed products, added to cart, or placed an order. These layered segment parameters helped Eastie tailor their messaging a bit more, and they started seeing better results. But here's where things got interesting. Eastie had a specific business goal: retain more customers. They were seeing a lot of first-time buyers who never came back, and they wanted to change that. The problem was, their existing segments weren't built to address this goal. Their engagement segments told them who was opening emails, but not who was at risk of never purchasing again. And their customer segment grouped all buyers together, whether someone had placed one order or 50. To move the needle on retention, Eastie needed segments that reflected specific customer behaviors tied to their goal. They needed a custom segmentation strategy. So what does that look like in practice? First, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. Every custom segment you build includes 3 components: consent, plus engagement, plus behavior or property. Let's break that down. Consent means you're only reaching people who've opted in to receive your marketing. This is legally required. Engagement means they've recently interacted with your messages, like opening or clicking an email, within a specific date range. This protects your deliverability and makes sure you're reaching people who are actually paying attention. And then there's behavior or property. This is the layer that connects your segment directly to your business goal. It's the customer action or attribute that tells you why this group of people matters for what you're trying to achieve. That third layer is what separates a custom segment from a basic one. Let's go back to Eastie. Their goal is customer retention after the first purchase. So they use the custom segmentation formula to build a segment of buyers. For consent, they filter for people who can receive email marketing. For engagement, they include anyone who's opened an email in the last 60 days. And for behavior, they add a condition for customers who've placed exactly one order. That gives them a focused group of recently engaged, one-time buyers who are ripe for a second purchase. They send the segment a cross-sell campaign featuring dynamic product recommendations. The message feels relevant because it's built around what that specific group of customers has done, and the results speak for themselves. By targeting one-time buyers with a tailored cross-sell campaign, Eastie turned single purchases into repeat ones. They're not just sending more emails, they're sending the right emails to the right people, and it's directly contributing to their retention goal. That's the real power of custom segmentation. It reduces list fatigue, increases customer lifetime value, and most importantly, moves the needle on your specific business targets. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the description for more content like this to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.